sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always tell.
Hi guys, we're just relaxing here with my friend's room. Look at Remy. Yeah, she's from Cagayan. You've seen her before. Oh my god, look, she has a lot of like medicine over here, vitamins. Oh my god, Rim. Oh look, we have this Rim, but I don't even take this thing.
Oh,
We have this.
Especially when winter time, you can have that the vitamin D.
Which one?
Vitamin D.
Which this one?
Yeah. It was.
Why?
It's winter. There's no sun. So
Really?
just vitamin D.
I have this one. I bought it and then I took few days and then I stopped. I'm too lazy to
Me
take
too.
medicine.
Until it expired. So it's really,
Yeah, me too.
I always have that.
I have Centrum, the gummy one, because I don't like taking big tablets.
I'm
So
very
I get the
busy.
gummy one, but I don't feel. I just throw it out. So
Same. Oh. But you know what? You need that. Especially you don't eat vegetable or no fruits. You need that one.
yeah, look, my skin is so dry because I don't take anything.
You should have that fruits.
Oh yeah, look at this. There's some cutie little thing in here. Look, look. What is this? I love you. Who gave this to you?
Oh, Karen. It's her
Karen.
birthday.
Nice,
Oh no, it's Mother's Day, I guess.
nice, so cute.
Yeah. She gave it to me, and then I didn't want to throw that one. It's cute.
It's cute. It's cute,
There's
Remy.
a
Do you-
flower. There's a flower.
The flower right there.
No, it's not. It's different.
Oh, oh, Remy. You know what, Rem? This is really nice, Rem. Oh,
What's that?
efficacent, Rem.
Yeah.
Look, she has efficacent.
That's
That's good for like stomach pain.
And those asked me, Remy, can I have that efficacy? So I gave, I think 1/4 of that, or half, or 1/3, 1/3.
And
See,
yeah, but listen, some in here in America, some parents, like they don't even put, for the kids with a baby when they have a like a
yeah.
how do you call that in English here? Like a the one that the soft one
yeah,
here.
Yeah, I know that.
Ay, Remy, English. Hurry up.
I don't know what's that.
Unsay tawag na to?
Bubon.
Hubon sa amo,
Oh,
hubon.
yeah, bubon.
Hubon, magsakit ang hubon. They don't even know that in here. That's why some kids here keep crying. What? Because they have
Yeah.
pain over here.
But also in our place, they just make the tobacco.
Tobacco. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, tobacco, and that put that in the tummy.
Yeah.
And you cover that,
And
we
that's
call
it.
that buhot.
Oh yeah, both.
Yeah. We call that, but it's very effective,
Yeah, I know. When I came back to the Philippines, my brother can't breathe, and then this lady came to the house and put a blanket,
Yeah.
above I covered my brother with a blanket, and then there's a coconut shell in it, and then
But my mom, oh no, my grandma, she's using tobacco like that,
yeah.
and then she's converted. She like that, and then put it in the
Oh,
tummy.
yeah.
Smoke.
And even in the ear, if you have ear problem like a pain, do you know
That's
that?
very effective in
Yeah.
every like stomach ache, colds, Yeah, you're right. No, the air.
Yeah.
You're right.
But you have to, you have to suck in the thing from the cigarette sideways
yeah.
from
And
the
then
other side, and
blow
then
that to the
you blow
tummy.
it
Yeah.
into your, yeah, wherever is the pain is.
Mhm.
It's very effective. We have this belief, and it's really true.
That's the
It
people
really,
before
yeah,
the
the old
great
days.
great
Yeah,
parents
yeah.
before. You don't have like this time most medicine. I mean most of the people here are depending the doctor. No, before no. You
And we
don't have
have
doctor.
only like a herb also in our
Yeah,
backyard.
yeah. You can have a medicine in everywhere. I mean like we call that oh here is a flower like
Yeah, yeah.
mint.
Mint is a
Yeah,
flower here,
yeah,
but
flower.
in the Philippines it's a
And also the one, this one, no?
which one?
This one, this is look at my friend.
What?
This one.
What is that?
If anything, what you feel bad, you eat that one.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know what's the name of it?
I don't know what's the name. My friend Hazel gave me that one.
You just ate it?
I didn't try it.
Really?
But he said if you have stomach ache, you have a headache, you just
That's
eat that
good.
one. The leaves.
So that's the lesson for today, guys. Remy's.
Yes. At least we remember what the people used before, the old
Yeah.
folks before.
Look, she's so cute, guys. She's the cutest. I know her for a long time. I think 5. No, not 5.
No.
No, I think it's 6, 6, 7. I think because I think 7 years already.
Yeah.
No, 7 years.
I am 4 years here, and I know already before my apartment.
Yeah. So
I think yeah, 5.
no, I think more than 5. Wait, because I'm almost 8 years here. And when I got here in New York, then 1 year later I worked in Chico's.
In Chico.
So I think it's almost 7 years we know
Oh
each other.
yeah, yeah. Because my daughter is 2 years already. So yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Bye, guys. We're having a biko, a sweet. How do you call this rice? A sweet sticky rice. We're having. We're having this sticky rice.
I took your.
And also this fish.
Sorry.
We're gonna have that later. And we're watching whatever is that. What
Banana burger.
No, the show.
Oh, tubig at langis.
Langis at tubig at langis. And look.
Ano siya? Nagluto ko gamay ng oil, di ba? Kanang gidaghan siya oil.
Ano man na?
Oil man siya.
Mag-oil na siya?
Yeah. Bukat. Daghan ng oil, di ba? Hmm?
Oh, nidaghan dito. Di man na siya kuan. Saging man na mag-uling, saging.
Yeah. Ayaw mo ganing vinegar. What? Don't you know that? For lips siya may vinegar.
So, what kind of banana is this?
Plantain.
Plantain. Okay then. This is what we do, guys. Every time I visit her, we're just lying down, relax, and then we can't even go outside because it's hot. But sometimes, when it's winter, it's nice to go outside. We're looking for a kangkong. We're looking for kamote tops, but we can't find it. So, right.
Visit to the Hong Kong store. That
Yeah.
one, the yellow one.
Oh, it's not really that far.
Yeah.
Okay,
Or
so-
the other one. I forgot that one right here. Either of that.
Okay,
I think
so.
that one. Wala man.
Ha?
Wala man.
Di pa rin sa ato. Nawin, ang ganis ng hakot. Mamila.
Mga hilit-hilit pa.
Magbantay ta kay daghang may hiwa-hiwas na ako. No?
Mga tao ko.
Grabe nakakasuan sa balita. Look, she's making my inon-onan, guys. I got some fish and we cook it here to bring it home. Look at her. And we're making this. What is this, Remy? Kangkong.
Kamote taps.
Eggplant.
Why are you coughing? Because of this?
Yeah. And I also got a anchovy dried fish. We call this
Dilis.
No, we called it in the Philippines,
Bulinaw, dilis.
dilis, bulinaw, and opo. Remy, do you want the other one?
No. I told you.
Okay.
Yep.
Really fast. Okay, sa rin ba? Ihi! Hihihihi! Look guys, oh! Ooh!
Bailot ha, bailot. Ako. Sarap. Sarap. Thank you, Lord.
Unsa man sige kita tanong ani
What? Wait ko sa siya ko.
Kuan man shoot time, anong shoot time ni shoot time kapila man shoot time.
Her? Ay, ako sa bibig. Bibig na siya.
Wala ko kinidor oy.
Pero, oh, pero.
Thank you. Hindi ko man magigamit kasi guys na galing ulit kami dayon. It's okay talo. Di ko tangan ni ang talo sa sabaw. Ang guys kung talo. Sabaw, di ana ko ana. Wala kaya taon ni Maril ba?
Usa sila pa mo.
Ang tiyan ay.
Wala pa kasi ako. Ang sarap sa inyo. Hindi ba ko kasi sina. Ako gusto ko na si tuloy ko sa ba.
Tuloy ko sa butis.
Kunti ba?
Dako ko pilan.
Mo ba? Ano lang, ano sila. Ano kasi king wait.
Ganun ko man sa ako.
Wala ko na siya minyo sa ba? Sa sila dito.
Ilak kaya siya.
Ina kasi.
Ilak na. Sa tayo.
Sino siya?
Sa pinta silusan. Wala sa tayo. Pero bilang ginuupo pag gwapo. Nya kuan ba bad effect.
Ay, kuya mo siya. Dahil kayo masaya.
Si Bina Morales, nagka na si Sharon. Fish, this, and that, and rice, and this is what we're having. Hi guys, we are not going out. We're watching TFC right now. We are not going out. We're supposedly to go out to just walk around after having dinner. But we decided not so because it's very late. It's 9:22 already. So we're just here and it is still very hot. And right now Remy is getting some water. Water. So yeah, so it's already 9:22 and I will be well my husband will pick me up like 2 between 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning because there's the job is kind of late, so that's what happened. So I'm staying here until later this morning. We're going to close our eyes because she's working tomorrow and also my husband will pick me up later. Yeah.